Hello, it's Adam Hancock from Stocks Happening here in Singapore. Now, in the midst of this coronavirus crisis, you might be wondering exactly where to invest. Lots of markets are in turmoil and lots of places are still in heavy restrictions and lockdowns. But what about Australia? Now, you might remember when this crisis first begun, there were pictures of people on Bondi Beach ignoring social distancing rules. Things didn't look great. But amazingly, the country is now opening up. They've recorded just over 7,100 cases and only 102 deaths. That's way better than many developing countries. Now, the Prime Minister is calling on a three-stage reopening to get business back up and running. Now, they were quick at the start of this crisis to lock down. They shut the borders, they stopped people coming into the country, and they stopped movement between different states. They've also now opened up a three-stage plan to ensure that the economy can reopening. Schools are back, larger groups can meet, and spirits are up amongst Australians. They're also aware that people aren't going to be able to travel overseas, so they're encouraging domestic tourism within the country. Now, this is all great news for the economy. But what about the stock market? Well, this is the ASX S&P 200, which is the main Australian index. It took a big crash from over 7,000 points in late February when the whole world started to wake up to the crisis. But as you can see, it's already on the rise again and already over 5,500 points. Now, how exactly do you invest in this market? Well, I use the trading platform Trading 212, and they have a special ETF which tracks the Oz S&P 200. It trades in Frankfurt on the German Electronic Exchange, and it's called the Lixor Australia S&P ASX 200. It's around about €35 for a share at present. That's just over £30. There is a risk with this. We don't know if the virus is going to come back in a second wave. We don't know if reopening like this is going to be successful, or if they could have to lock down again and there could be another crash. But at the moment, things look good, and the way the government have handled this crisis, the signs do look positive. Now remember, as always, when you invest your money, it is at risk. This shouldn't be taken as personal investment advice, but more just me making a prediction and saying what I think might happen. If you are going to invest, then make your own decision, do your own research, and come to your own conclusions. But this is my opinion, and let's hope it's right.